This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 11 of Building Prime Optimus himself from the Transformers movies. Let's flip through the magazine and then we'll continue building his right leg. Which wiki? The great grandfather that did the sailing ship that had the glasses and things. There we go. It was an Ultra Magnus. Don't know who Ultra Magnus is. Quite interesting. Different trailer system there. Starscream. Yeah, everyone knows Starscream. Very nice. Yeah, there you go. Decepticon Series 3. Yeah, all cars. Well, race cars and trucks, and it's like an Optimus fake. Yeah, I don't remember those, but I'm sure that they were a thing. Making all cars was a bit boring. Plain. It's better. There you go. All dinosaur. Yeah. Right. So the continuation of the right leg. We've got a ball joint type thing to build, and then attach that to the thing from last time. And then attach the big thing to the thing from last time and ended up with one big thing. It's going to end up being... That's the top part of the leg. Okay. I thought we'd attach it to the foot, but we can't attach it to the foot. We've got the bottom bit to do first. So we're going to do the top bit. Okay, that's all right. There we go. Let's get to it. Right, these are the parts. And from last time, we have these couple of bits. The first thing we're doing is using one from last time. We're fitting that next to there. There's a little cut-out piece for that to go like that. And then a screw goes through the side there to hold that in place. Let's grab that. And actually grab it rather than pick it up and then throw it on the floor. There we go. That on there, through there. Hold that together. Like so. There we go. Right, then we need the next piece along. See, look, I've organised things and got it all sorted out. That goes into there. It will only go one way around because of this flattened edge. It goes in there like that, and that screw will hold that together. I can get the screw the right way round on the screwdriver. And like so, and that goes in the end there. So far, so good. Tighten that up because this is obviously going to be like the hip joint by the looks of it. It's got some knurling there that's going to catch against things. This then attaches to this on there a bit like that. And this holds it in place. So going across there like that. And we've got the two screws there that hold that together. In each side of that. One there and that one there. There we go. So this will give some rotational movement, but not anything else. Tightened up. Then we can go back, tighten up the other side as well. And then we'll see. Yeah, that's tight, but not silly tight. I'm happy with how that goes together. Then the last thing to do is to attach the other big piece over the side there. Nice and easy. All goes together, and there are 5 screws that hold this together. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and one at the top there. And that is another issue complete. And a big chunk of leg sorted out already as well. I'll get a couple of these screws in, but I'll do the rest of them off camera because you don't need to see me tightening up all of these screws. So that is that. That's what we've got now. I don't know which way up it goes. I'm assuming that that's going to be the upper hip part. Then that goes down and attaches to the foot down the line there. But that's going to be the outside, another wheel, isn't it? It's nice. It looks very clean and polished, but Optimus always did look clean. He didn't really get dirty. I think he got, scratched up and damaged, but not really filthy. So that's that. That's another issue, and that is the end of this delivery. So join me soon for another delivery, but join me even sooner for another part work. I'll be doing something else tomorrow. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.